This interview is for information only and should not be considered as investment advice or a recommendation to buy shares in the company featured. Welcome to this StockBox interview.
Joining us now, live from PDAC in Toronto, is Mark Sale, of course, the CEO of First Class Metals. Mark, thank you for joining us. How are things?
Quite busy actually, Mark. I'm here at the booth at PDAC. It's day 2. We had quite a busy day yesterday. A lot of geological interest from different companies, as well as service providers. So keeping me on my toes, on my feet, shall we say. But yeah, there's a good buzz about the place today. It's only just open this morning, but as you can see, the aisles are filling up with people. So yeah,
Yes.
looking forward to another good day.
Good. So you had a good day yesterday. So you're seeing lots of interest at the stand. I mean, what's the vibe like on the ground there? It's always good to get a sense of what the feeling is.
Well, I mean, as far as the Canadian perspective is, of course, everyone's looking forward to the field season starting once the snow's away. But to that point, we actually have a team out on the ground, on the ice, literally, at the moment on our Sunbeam property, taking lake sediment samples. We also completed the first of several surveys of the VLF at North Hemlo before that. So we're out there already. There's a lot of snow about. I'm not sure when the thaw will come, but I have, as I alluded to in a previous RNS, I've tied up someone to do a structural review of the dead otter trend at North Hemlo, and as soon as the snow's away, we'll be doing that. So it's very much business as usual, with a degree of excitement and anticipation here.
Okay, so you're
as far as the general feeling is concerned, there does seem to be a little bit more optimism about the place. So let's hope that carries through.
Okay, and just before we move on, just quickly, what are you telling investors that pop by the booth then? What's your sort of pitch to them? You say you're quite active, so it's setting up to be an active field season for you guys.
Yes, well, stage 1 of the transaction with the 79th Group has completed, as you'd be aware with the RNSs that went out. So we are currently funded for the first part of the field season. And with stage 2 completion next month, we will be funded for the rest of the field season. So okay. It's exciting times for First Class Metals, I feel.
Good. Well, you mentioned 79th. Of course, there was some news that broke this week regarding the 79th Group, involving the Metropolitan Police doing a raid, I think, looking into fraud. What's the situation?
Well, yes, there is activity by the Metropolitan Police in respect to the 79th Group, but it's part of an ongoing investigation, Mark, so I really don't think I should comment further on that, other than to say that both First Class Metals, the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, and the London Stock Exchange, as part of stage 1 of this transaction, all conducted due diligence on both Dave Webster to become a director, as well as the 79th Group as a shareholder, and nothing untoward was flagged. So we'll leave it at that for the moment as far as that's concerned. There's been no implications towards First Class Metals, so it's business as usual.
Okay, so I mean, you're not concerned it's going to put anything at risk with the partnership here and First Class Metals getting on with what's important, which is, of course, exploring on the ground.
No. Well, that's obviously what I will be focused on. That's what I am focused on. Of course, you know the old expression: if you throw enough mud, some of it will stick. So yes, there's been a bit of a slide in the share price today. There's a bit of uncertainty out there, but I think that we will rise out of this and we will carry on. As somebody said on one of the bulletin boards at the moment, this is a good buying opportunity. The prospects are there. The money's in our account. We have the technical ability and we have the projects to focus on. So, yeah, absolutely business as usual. Get up and go.
All right, Mark, well, thank you very much. After PDAC, are you heading to site or are you coming back home?
All right, thank you very much. Appreciate that, Mark. Take care.
Bye.
If you enjoyed this interview, then give us a thumbs up, a like or a retweet. Subscribe to us on YouTube or follow us on Twitter and hit that notification bell to be the first to know when we release new content. There's loads of great content on our website too, across all our programs at StockBoxMedia.com. Thank you for watching.